Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Stock Brother bringing you those bangers. On this channel, we review hot stocks and are always looking for those hidden gems. So if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and smash that like button. Don't forget to join the family by subscribing to the Patreon so we can all get that paper together. Today we're going to talk about some hot stocks that you need to buy now. Now before we get started, we're going to take care of some business and then we're going to get right into it. If you're new to the channel, this channel is about making that money, investing in stocks, and of course making more money. So before we get started, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and smash that like button. Don't forget to share the video with your friends and family so we can all get that paper together. If you want to support the channel, hit up the Patreon, and as a bonus, you get real-time alerts of when I enter and when I exit my stocks. It's an easy way for you to see what I'm doing and to follow along. We're getting that paper, baby. The first stock on the list is Gamestop, ticker symbol GME. This stock closed at $228.80 and it was up over 8% for the day. They had a gain of $18.68. The yearly range for Gamestop was $11.45 on the low and $483 on the high. So the big news that came out today was an article from Markets Insider titled "Practices that enable short selling could become more transparent under a new SEC rule in response to GameStop mania." According to this article, regulators want to make the practices behind shorting stock more transparent under a new rule crafted in response to the GameStop short squeeze in January. The article states, on Thursday, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission proposed a new regulation that would provide transparency in securities lending market, a market that SEC Chair Gary Gensler said is currently opaque. The article goes on to say that the new rule requires firms lending securities to report the material terms of each loan to a governing body like the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority within 15 minutes of the transaction. That information would then be made public. The article continues by saying this proposal would bring securities lending out of the dark, Gensler said. The public has 30 days to comment on the proposal. Now this is actually really big news. If this new law goes into effect, we could be on our way to seeing new highs from GameStop again like we did in January. So let's keep an eye and see what happens. The next stock on the list is Lucid Group, ticker symbol LCID. The stock closed at $55.21 and was up over 17% for the day. They had a gain of $8.16. Lucid was the stock that we covered back in September, and at the time that I brought this stock to your attention, it was at $22, so the stock has appreciated substantially. In fact, Lucid shares actually hit over $64 before coming down some. According to Silicon Valley Business Journal, Lucid's value passed forward as its stock hits an all-time high. In this article, it states that Lucid Group hit record valuations this week after the luxury electric vehicle maker reported growing orders and said it remains on track to produce 20,000 cars next year. Further down into the article, it states that in an appearance Tuesday on Jim Cramer's Mad Money show on CNBC, Lucid CEO Peter Rawlinson said that he plans to add factories in the Middle East and China to the one in Arizona it has now. The US factory can make up to 34,000 cars a year but can be expanded, he said. Further down to the article, he says we're quadrupling the size of that factory in Arizona. We're building out a 2.85 million square foot expansion to get ready to build 90,000 units per year. And the site itself is with its phase 3 capable of nearly 400,000 units per annum. Rawlings also said that there are now 17,000 reservations for Lucid Air, which Motor Trend magazine named Car of the Year this week. So this is some really big news coming out from this company this week. Lucid is a stock that you definitely need to have in your portfolio and keep it for the long term. As I said before, I think this is going to be the next Tesla, and we know how well Tesla is doing. The next stock on the list is Plug Power, ticker symbol PLUG. This stock closed at $44.55, and they were up over 10% for the day. They had a gain of $4.13. Plug Power has ranged from $18.47 on the low to about $75.49 on the high. A little bit about Plug Play. They are an American company engaged in the development of hydrogen fuel cell systems that replace conventional batteries in equipment and vehicles powered by electricity. Plug Power's share price surged today after Morgan Stanley boosted the price target by 51%. According to Barron's, Morgan Stanley analyst Stephen Bird boosted his price target on the stock by 51%. Bird raised his price target on Plug Power to $65 from $43, citing an increase in revenue estimates after management issued optimistic forward-looking statements in its third quarter earnings call. Bird wasn't the only one to increase his price targets. Citi analyst PJ Juvkar raised the price target on Plug shares to $56 from $35. Taking a look at tip ranks, we can see that Plug is listed as a strong buy. It currently has 17 analysts covering the stock, 13 with a buy, 4 with a hold. The median price range for this stock is $48.29, so we're well on our way to hitting that target. The high price target is $78, and I think that we're going to be well on our way to hitting that price target as well. The next stock on the list is Micron Technology, ticker symbol MU. This stock closed at $83.03, and it was up over 7% for the day. They had a gain of $6.01. This stock has ranged from $59.65 on the low to a high of $96.96. A little bit about Micron Technology. They are an American producer of computer memory and computer data storage, including dynamic random access memory, flash memory, and USB flash drives. According to MarketWatch, Micron stock notched its best day in more than a year after Evercore analyst says it is game on for memory. In the article, it states that 2 underperforming microchip names could be due for a rebound as memory industry trends improve, according to analysts. Evercore ISI, CJ Muse elevated Micron Technology and Lam Research Corp to his firm's top picks list Friday, arguing that both could benefit from the green shoots he sees in the memory industry. The article continues by saying, but sitting here today, it is clear that the tides are shifting, with pricing decline expectations into first half calendar year 22 becoming less bad, estimates likely bottoming in first quarter 22, and green shoots arising from PC constraints elsewhere easing, and hyperscale capex spend likely improving before year end. Thus, we think it's game on for memory. So real good stuff here, folks, so we're definitely keeping an eye on this stock as well. Taking a look at tip ranks, we can see that 22 analysts are currently covering this stock, 15 with a buy, 6 with a hold, 1 with a sell. The stock is rated as a moderate buy. The median price target is $96.09, which is a 15% upside, and the highest price target is $165. So we're well on our way to hitting those price targets. We'll see what this stock does in the coming weeks and months. So that's all your boy had for today. Comment down below, let me know what your thoughts are on the stocks that we covered. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Smash that like button so you can help your boy with the YouTube algorithm. And don't forget to subscribe to the Patreon and join the family. So until next time, let's get that paper.